I'm Christelle from Diabetes Strong. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your Dexcom G6 sensor. So I've been using the Dexcom G6 since it was FDA approved back in 2018, and I'm fairly happy with it, and I find it fairly easy to change as well. So let me show you how. So first, let me show you what you'll need in order to change your sensor. So I assume you're already wearing one. I'm wearing mine here on my stomach. This one I've been wearing for 10 days. That is what it's approved for. I have restarted sensors in the past when I did not have access to a new sensor for whatever reason, but this one has only been on there for 10 days, so you can see the tape is still looks pretty good. So aside from the sensor and the transmitter that's already on your body, you need a new sensor. Let's take that out of the box. See what that looks like. Looks like this. This is a new sensor. I use a glue remover. I use this one to take off the old sensor. I use a cotton pad for that as well. And then you need an alcohol swab, and that is for cleaning the skin before you insert the new sensor. Okay, let's remove the sensor. So it's here on my stomach. So what I do is just move this aside. I use the glue remover. And what I do is I simply soak the tape, catch any like leftover drops in the cotton pad. Let's just put that here. Here we go. And now I just let that sit for a minute for the glue to dissolve, and then I'll peel this off. Now I've been standing around for about a minute. Let's just peel it off. Comes off pretty easily. And there you go. Okay, so the sensor is off. It's a little sticky because I used the glue remover, so there's still some glue here. But before we do next step, so don't throw this out because there's still the transmitter in here, the gray part. You want to save that, but I want to show you. I want to show you the sensor. So look at this. See if we can open it up here. See this. Here we go. This tiny sensor, that is the part that sits underneath the skin and measures your blood sugar. How cool is that? Okay, so again, this is a little sticky. I'm going to use my cotton pad to put it on here. Because next thing is that, yes, you want to throw out the sensor, but you do not want to throw out the transmitter. That one will last you 3 months. So the way that you take it out, because right now it's stuck in the sensor, right? So the way that you do that, see there's this little extra piece of plastic here. So put your thumb on there, and then you can simply put your other thumb on here, and you can break it open. There you go. See, super easy. And then you just pull out the transmitter. It's sticky, but here we go. And this you throw out. This one you keep. It'll last you 3 months. And we're now ready to apply the new sensor. So first thing you want to do is take the sensor out of the paper, the box. Just do that. You simply pull the paper off. And the sensor lies in this big applicator. Let's put that here. So although that applicator makes the insertion process pretty much painless, it does bother me a little bit how large this is. But we want to start out by, I want to clean my skin with the alcohol swab, insert the sensor, put in the transmitter. So first we want to clean the skin. I use an alcohol swab. So the way you do that, I want to place it over here now. Simply clean the skin using the alcohol swab. Here we go. Make sure the whole area is clean and simply let that dry. Next, you want to take out either your receiver or your phone. So let me just show you. On the receiver, it says new sensor. Just tap new sensor. So I can do that. Needs to open it. And see, you can enter a code. Same thing if you open up the Dexcom app and say you want to start a new sensor, it's going to ask for a code. That code is here. See, it's 9117. So you can enter that manually. You want to enter it. If not, if you go with no code, you have to calibrate the sensor. You don't really want to do that. So enter the code there. If you use the app, this is only for the app, you can also just choose to take a photo of this little square code up here, and it will automatically input the 917. So let's do that. So we open the Dexcom app. It's going to say replace sensor now. Just click OK down there, and then new sensor, click on that, and then we can choose enter code or no code. So we can click enter code, and then click take photo. Here we go, and then just hold the applicator up. There you go, it's going to take a photo and import the code. So now the phone is showing me a little video of how to insert the sensor. That's great, you can watch that, or you can watch it on a real person. So let me just show you how to do that. Now you want to remove the paper so that we can expose the adhesive and actually attach it to the body. So you simply see there's these little paper tabs here. You just pull that, so pull that away from the sensor, and you can toss this. Same thing with the other one. It's a little tap, you just pull away. There you go. Put that aside. So you don't want to touch this part now because it's sticky. This is what will make the sensor stick to your body. So now you place it where on your body you want it. So I want it here. See, it sticks. And there's no needle inserted yet. But let's do that. Because remember, I showed you that little sensor. That one is still in the applicator. Okay, so next you want to remove the little safety latch. It's a little orange part. So you simply just push it down to the side, break it off. Here you go. Okay. Next, again, you can let go because it's not going to fall off. But hold on to the device and then simply push the little orange button. There you go. And the sensor is inserted. So the needle is no longer in there. The needle is in the applicator. So this is technically a shots container now. But now we've inserted the sensor. You just want to make sure that the tape is smooth. It is. Next step is to then insert the transmitter. So grab the transmitter, and I cleaned this. What you want to do is you want to lead with the pointy part, this part of the transmitter. It's kind of like round in this end and pointy in this end. So look at your sensor. You see there's these little 2 dots. Don't pull them, but that is where the pointy part of the sensor goes. So what I like to do, see if I can do it so you can see, is simply push it in. See right now, it's kind of like a little opening where this part of the transmitter fits. So you're going to push that in, and you would simply want to click it into place. So right now it's not secure, it would fall out. But you want to put it in and then simply click into place and listen. Did you hear that? Click, click. That means it's secure. Now it won't fall off. And see, the whole device doesn't really move. You can push it. So that is it. That is how you insert it. So let's just finish the setup in the app. So I just open up the Dexcom app and click Start Sensor. You can do the same thing in the receiver. Click Start Sensor. Oh, you can see I got a little alert here saying that my transmitter will expire after this last use. So I just click OK on that. And then you can see the sensor warm-up period has started. It's 2 hours. And you can always go back to the screen and check in and see how much time is left of the warm-up period. And that is how you change your Dexcom G6 sensor. And this is a process you have to repeat every 10 days when your sensor expires. If you like this video, please give it a like below and leave me a comment. Also, if you enjoy my content, if you'd like to see more from me, remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. That is that little bell. That way you'll be informed whenever I post new content. Thank you so much for watching.